Hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to design a flyer mockup in Photoshop using this image. You can download the image for practice. The link is in the description below. Let's get started. First, select the rectangle tool from the toolbar. Then, click and drag to draw a rectangle. In the Properties panel, set the width to 8.27 inches and the height to 11.52 inches, which is the standard size for A4 paper. Set the fill color to gray and make sure the stroke is set to none. This will be the base for our flyer mockup. Now, go to the Layers panel and select the rectangle layer. Right-click on it and choose Convert to Smart Object. This allows us to place our design later and keep it fully editable. After that, make 2 copies of this Smart Object layer. You should now have 3 identical Smart Object layers. Rename the topmost layer to Place Design Here, and rename the other 2 to Design. The great thing about Smart Objects is that they are linked, so you can place your design inside any one of these Smart Object layers, and it will automatically update and appear on all 3. Now turn off the visibility of the 2 lower Smart Objects and keep only the topmost Smart Object visible. Select this top Smart Object layer and press Ctrl+T to activate Free Transform. Rotate and adjust the Smart Object to match the direction of the top flyer in the image. Reduce the opacity so you can see the flyer beneath clearly and align it accurately. Right-click inside the Transform box and choose Distort. Carefully drag each corner of the Smart Object to match the corners of the flyer in the image. Take your time and zoom in to ensure the edges align perfectly. Once you're satisfied with the placement, press Enter to apply the transformation and reset the opacity back to 100%. Next, turn off the visibility of the topmost Smart Object and turn on the visibility of the middle Smart Object named Design. Select the layer, press Ctrl+T, and again reduce the opacity. Right-click and choose Distort. This time, align only one edge of the Smart Object, as the other sides will be hidden underneath the top flyer. Once aligned properly, press Enter and set the opacity back to 100%. Now turn off the middle Smart Object layer and turn on the visibility of the third Smart Object. Select it, press Ctrl+T, lower the opacity, and right-click to choose Distort. Align only the top left corner of the Smart Object with the flyer in the image. This is the only part that will be visible. Once it fits correctly, press Enter and return the opacity to 100%. Finally, turn on the visibility of all 3 Smart Objects. Select them all while holding Shift, then press Ctrl+G to group them. Rename this group to Place Design. This grouping keeps everything organized and makes it easier to edit the mockup later. Next, turn off the visibility of the Place Design group so we can focus on the background. To begin, we'll make a selection of the paper bundle underneath the top Smart Object. Select the Quick Selection tool from the toolbar, click on the background layer, and start selecting the bundle area below the top flyer. Once the selection is complete, go to the Layers panel and click on the Create New Fill or Adjustment Layer icon. Choose Solid Color, select any color you like, and click OK. Photoshop will automatically mask the area so the color appears only on the selected bundle. Now, repeat the process for the bundle under the middle Smart Object. With the background layer still selected, use the Quick Selection tool to make a selection of that area. Add another solid color adjustment layer. Pick a color, and confirm. Then, rename the top color fill layer to Bundle 1, and change its blending mode to Multiply. Rename the second one to Bundle 2 and also set the blending mode to Multiply. Next, select both layers while holding Shift, group them using Ctrl+G, and rename the group to Change Bundle Color. Now turn the Place Design group back on. To add shadow beneath the top Smart Object, open the group, select the top Smart Object layer, click the FX icon at the bottom of the Layers panel, and choose Drop Shadow. Adjust the shadow settings like distance, spread, and size according to your image and click OK. Next, double-click the Smart Object layer to open it and place your flyer design. Go to File, Place Embedded. Choose your design file, resize if necessary, and press Enter. Then save and close the Smart Object tab, and you'll see your design appear on all 3 smart objects instantly. To refine the shadow, double-click on the Drop Shadow effect, tweak the values, and reduce the opacity to better match your design. Now open the Change Bundle Color group and double-click on Bundle 1. Choose a color that matches or complements your flyer and click OK. Repeat the same step for Bundle 2. Finally, add a Levels Adjustment layer right above the Place Design group. Right-click the Levels layer and choose Create Clipping Mask to clip it to the Smart Object group. Move the middle slider to the right to darken the design slightly and add more depth. And that's it. Your flyer mockup is complete and ready to present. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials.